Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the unboxing of the OnePlus 5T. Now this is the latest from OnePlus, so for a change I'm getting a woman's opinion also on this now, where Indu, hi, hi. So Indu will be unboxing the OnePlus 5T with me, so you'll be able to judge how it looks like and what's a woman's opinion on this. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so that's the OnePlus 5. So you have the fingerprint sensor at the back, you have a dual tone flash, the mic, the dual camera. Now the setup has changed. It is now you don't have telefocal length anymore, so both of them are wide angle lens, but it's a 16 and a 20 megapixel lens. The NFC band is over here. If you look at it carefully, I don't think you'll be able to see it right now, but it's there around the camera lens. Now you have two antenna bands on both the sides like the previous one. The major difference is this, that the screen is now big. It's an 18 by 9 inch screen, 18 by 9 ratio screen. Now you have a front camera which is 16 megapixel, and you have the speaker over here. So on your right side you have a power button, you have the SIM ejector tool, so you can put two SIMs in it, but no memory card. Now on this side you have the volume rocker and the sound slider. I call it a sound slider because it controls the profile, sound profile. So you have three stages in it. So 1, 2, and then back. So there are three stages for the sound slider. On top there's nothing. At the bottom you have one speaker, mono speaker over here. You have a Type C USB cable, Type C port over here, mic, and a 3.5 mm jack. You have the fingerprint sensor over here. Now it is much easier to hold it like this and then unlock it than using your thumb, but some people may not like it, but as of now that's good. So let's see what else do you get with this. Okay, so you get a SIM ejector tool, very quick start guide, safety information, and a sticker. So you have the OnePlus sticker over here, so you want to use that, you can use that. What else? You have the OnePlus micro USB cable, you have the dash charger, okay, you have the dash charger. So this has 4 ampere power, so this is going to be 4 times faster than your regular charger. Now I'll not recommend using this on regular phones because they may not be able to control that ampere, so that's one more thing. Let's keep that back, and that's it. So that's all that you get with this. Okay, so let's talk about some good features on the OnePlus 5. It has parallel apps option, so you can install parallel apps. Now it will not give you option of doing a parallel app for all the apps. So what a parallel app is, basically you'll have two versions of the same software. So I have to Facebook, to Messenger, to Instagram, to Snapchat. Now this will not do it for all the apps. There'll be some limited ones. Let me just show you the options. Parallel apps, so that's the option. Now all these are allowed, so I can just turn on the switch and then I'll have a second app in the app tray. Now if I go like this, now you see I have a Facebook and I have another Facebook. So that's the way it works. Bluetooth codec compatibility. Now I have this LG Active Plus. Now this has excellent sound, but you need a device which supports that kind of codecs, that kind of high quality video, high quality sound or high quality codecs. Now all the devices do not support it. This one supports it. Let me just switch it on. Connected. Okay, so it's connected to my phone right now, and as soon as it connects, now you see that it has automatically taken the Qualcomm aptX HD codec. Now if you click on that, it will go into HD and normal, so you can choose between that. Now This is not available on any other regular phone like your MIs or your Samsungs. All the Samsung phones that I use, I don't have this option. This has the option for high quality codecs. Now, this is something that LG also has integrated in their system, but I did not expect that to be in the OnePlus, but it's there. Now the camera on this is no longer a telephoto lens. Now the good thing about that is now this helps in good low light photography. So I have already tested it for the past week, but I'll not put the results right now because I'm comparing it with the other phones. So now I have these Type C kind of earphones, the Type C MI noise cancelling Type C earphones. Now this is a problem that a lot of people are facing. There are answers online on the forum itself. It has been answered, but I see a lot of people still struggling with this. Now, when you put this in your OnePlus phone, it will not be detected. It will not work. Now, a lot of people have tried this and then said, "Oh, it doesn't work on the OnePlus." So, what you need to do is you need to go into not on system update. Sorry. Go into advanced, and then there's a OTG support there. You have to switch it on. Now as soon as you switch it on, you'll see that the earphone starts working. Now let me just show you. So the noise cancellation has started. Now if I put it off from here, let me just show you. There it goes. So just remember this, OnePlus does support the MI noise cancelling earphones. It works fine. I have used it, but you'll have to switch on the OTG support. The face unlock on this is unreal. Now the technology used is not the infrared technology. It's not the face dot, white dot technology and all that thing which has been used on the iPhone 10. This is your regular camera. So your camera is able to pick up your face, pick up the features, the facial features and everything, and unlock the phone. Now this technology was already there before, but it did not do that well because it did not work with all the kind of light conditions. The light conditions were not good enough for it. The unlocking was not always perfect, and it used to give a lot of problems. Now this one is excellent. So for the first few hours when I was using this after setting up the unlock feature, I kept thinking that the phone is not getting locked. And I kept going into the settings and changing it, and it did not get locked. The problem was this is so fast that as soon as you press the power button, it unlocks because it sees you, it sees your eyes. So basically it's looking at your eyes. If you close your eyes and or maybe squint and then look at it, it will not unlock. As soon as you open your eyes, it unlocks. So it's super fast, and it's one of the, actually it is the best unlock that I've ever seen on a phone till date. I've not used an iPhone 10, so I can't even compare it with that. That will be a different category altogether. I'm talking about regular phones which are for 32,990 in that range. This is the best. Now, hands down, I have not found any other phone which does such a good job with unlock. Let me just show you. Now, it's locked. Now, if I unlock it, now this is like this, it's not unlocked. Now, if I just turn it towards me, it's unlocked. Now let me just show it to you again. That's it. So it doesn't even stop for unlocking. Now I'll show you the difference again. See this? See this? Locked. See this? Unlocked. So it's that fast. Now I barely use my fingerprint reader. It's not being used anymore. So those are the 5 things that normally people are not talking about, because I wanted to make something different. Just didn't want to do a regular unboxing video of this. So I am currently testing it with a lot of different scenarios, a lot of different devices, earphones, health bands. So I'll be posting those videos later on. Now that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.